So there was a question about how to create something like this, and yeah, let's do it. So I first just created a shape like this. It's this profile revolved around this axis. And let's hide the sketch. So now we need to create the path for something to follow around here. And let's sketch that by doing this on this plane. And just an L shape like this. And we need it to be centered. And we also need some dimensions here. So let's set this to 130. And from here to down there to, let's say, 15. And we also need to set the dimension for this. So I want this to go a bit outside here. Let's set it to 23. And we'll probably change this later. So this is just the first step in creating the path. So now we go to surface and create sweep. So make sure chain selection is not selected when you select the profile. We just want to select this, not all of it. And the path will be this vertical line. And for it to spiral around, we set the twist angle to 360 times something, let's say 3. So it revolutes 3 times on its way up here. Okay, so this outer line is now our path that we can use for pipe. So let's do the pipe. And we can now hide the surface body because we just want to cut into this one. And as we go inside or make it larger, it goes inside and cuts away material. So when we get somewhere around here, it often fails on me. So I try to make it as thin here as possible. But when I go beyond a certain point, it just fails. So it's a little bit fiddly. And maybe like there. And sorry, I should also have dragged it out up here so it cuts away in a more smooth fashion up there. And the reason why I made the path start under here is a similar reason as up here. It would leave some extra if I didn't do that. So now I'm sure it cuts away and goes all the way through here. And okay, so yeah, that's basically it. And of course we can play with this distance if we set it to 30 perhaps. It will go a little bit further away, and then we have to up this value. Now it feels too early to be something good, so perhaps we need that to be lower instead. Let's set it to 20. And yeah, we can change these values to our liking. Yeah, it looks good like that. And we could also, of course, try changing the number of revolutions here. If we set that to 2.5. See what happens. Yeah, gets a little bit different shape. So yeah, those are the values you can play around with and see what you like.